It's against the light. Hi guys! Hi everyone! So today, I'm sorry to tell all of you that I think I will be resting from doing live. Too long live except the chest part, the chest thing. I think I'm going back to work really 100% full time to the pigs, to the garden and everything plus the school project. So maybe I'll be just doing live sometimes just for a short update for the projects. But for now, for today's video is all about plants. So this plant, guys, is called flame violet. Ayan, this one. This one is a hanging plant. That is the one. So it has that color. And it's really doing fine. So I have lots of them just falling on the pots and they just grow by themselves. Look at this. I didn't plant this one. It just dropped. I think a single piece of this drop on the pots and it just grows. So I need to repot it or replant. Like this one too. See? It only grows on this has no soil at all because this is an orchid. But it grows on a, how do I say? Coconut husk. So I have to replant that one. Look how nice they grow. And most of the stuff. So today this will be the project because I got the hanging pots for that. And this type of flower also, I've got some of them growing in here. Look, this one. So I will also start to replant it on the hanging pots. But before that, I need to go down. So I'll show you guys. That flame violet has a many types of color. And they just grow everywhere. See? When they drop here on the pots, they just grow. There. It just drop on the pots from above. And it just grow. Look. I couldn't imagine how they reached there. Because this is a pot far away from those things. So maybe, I don't know, maybe I just put something over there and then it grows. And this one too needs to be replanted. Look, they're slowly climbing to the wall. I don't think that's a good idea. So needs to be cut and then repot again or replant. Look, there's a nice roots. Later I will check the name of this. I forgot again. And here we have a lot of stuff to be replanted or repotted. Look at that. That flame violet. It has a very nice color too. It just grow over here. It's amazing. So I will be doing, arranging this part. So all of those old hanging pots or plants, they should be okay on this side. So I will be transfer all of them. This curtain will be taken away since I'm not gonna doing long live anymore. So I don't need that one. So all of those old plants can already stand because this is the afternoon sunlight and it's not good for these indoor plants. But I think they will be able to adjust to that because they're already old. And then the new transplanted hanging pots or hanging plants, I will put it on that side, two sides, because it has morning sunshine and no afternoon sunshine. So, but before I can do that, I have to go and buy a tie wire because I needed it. See how I do that is where I need to hang all those flower pots. So all of this will be transferred on that side where I showed you guys. And all the new hanging pots will be here. And then, I think, this, see? It's everywhere. So I think I will be able to replant like 8 pieces today or 10 of this plant flame violet. And this one needs to be transplanted in a big pot. So that's gonna be my our video for today. So I hope you will not get bored of my farm video, guys, because this will be just my maybe most of my videos from now on, aside from the school project. It will be done very soon too. So you'll be hearing a lot of it too in a few days. But for now, it'll be a garden video. Because all of them, oh, I forgot to show you guys. These are, finally, I'm able to buy stuff for myself. All of this is organic stuff from the City Hardware. And my new cutter, my trowel, and this is the hanging pots. This is durable, or this is the pot that a little bit pricey. This is like $2, but it's stays longer, or it lasts longer than the cheap ones that I bought for like less than $1. So look, this one is like already 2 years old, and still it's doing fine. This pot, so I will be buying more of it if I need to. But aside from this one, this is the cheap one, but it keeps falling down and it keeps breaking because it's just a cheap plastics. Anyway, see you later, guys. So hi guys, welcome back. Ayan, I already have my tie wire. I went to the engineer's hardware shop and got my tie wire, and I can do my job now. First, I have to prepare my, how do we call it, guys? The one that I the tie wire that I have to have there so I can hang this flower pot. So first I have to take this down too. So I'll have to put you somewhere here. So before I will climb over there, guys, I need to prepare 30 cuts or 25 cuts of this one. I only need like this. This is maybe shorter. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ala. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, hala, 25. Okay, I'm ready. Next is, take away this one. Nice. So far, guys. Oh, shit, pucha. To be continue. The parcel. I don't like this. So in the middle of my garden work, guys, I saw a guava. But I believe it's already crunchy. I only need one. Guys, instead of buying new flower pots, I have this one. These are old ones. It has some damage or small cracks, but I chose to just, keep them in case. So now I still have some more of here. I'm gonna wash them first before I look at this. There's a lot of weeds on the flower pot, so needs to be weeded later on. More of flower pots over here. This one, they got dirty because, my God, kids are very playful, guys. They play with everything, so I kept this one on a safe place, and they keep getting it and playing with it. So I need to clean them, brush them before I could use them. So that's the next job. Go on.
Hmm.
Mm. Sure. Are you sure?
Kada mo ani.
Taas ka magkamay kay basi. Di ko makita. Oh, good. That's nice, guys. Aray ko. Okay. Ouch! What's that? Yes. My legs, guys, hurt from the climbing of those coconuts. My God. Aray ko. My God, this is very heavy. Ah.
Tuwa sa usa ka portrait ah.
Mm-mm.
Sarang po. Ay,
Hmm?
asa likod gali ha.
Ha?
Usa kaol.
Sika. Yeah, ala! Shit. I think I broke it. Ala, sorry. This has two different colors. The green and the, what's this? Brown, gray. But they have different colors of flower.
May tanam tanan. Mo na tanam tanan.
Ano naman lagi? Need to transplant most of them. One more. Look at this. Some died too.
Lihi pol og bulak.
Yeah, this is different. What's the color? Purple?
Pink.
Pink? Is that pink?
Kung anhi kay murag brown.
Is that pink, guys? We got some dirt. Atras ato. Hello. Maybe it died when I forgot to water them. I like to grow more of this. It's very rare. Okay. Good thing this is not choking yet. Nice. Oh God. Ouch. Hmm? Atras ato. Look at the branches, guys. Good. I have still 3. Eh? Ay, napagpalabig doon. Ito. Atras. Oh, this is the other. Uy, katago naman ka din. Ay, it needs new soil. Ikuan. Ituwad sa. Ay, ikuan ang kamera kamo ka. Iduko ka na.
Piso daan na. Taay is.
Dito man diri man na.
Prong palit pa man na.
Kuan ang batangan og rice. Kita kas gunting diha.
Katuray.
Ipasa. Pasa ka dali.
Kanang square.
Hmm? Gamay lang. Bayo. Nagsugod naman siguro sila. Lo. Mao di ay.
Yoy.
Nga day nagpuyo nga kuan. Okay.
Ipis. Uy. Karon ng Halloween.
Pero nga no.
Sa gabi man magpaduha.
Kani. Butang ano mabuhi ra na. Napay ko an? Napay, ano na to?
Unsa day sod anang duha ka kuan box.
Amay.
Na. Maguba ra jud to kuan sa badminton. Maguba ra to kuan sa badminton. Kay ang grade to kay ikuan man ang ulo nila sa kuan sa badminton katong kuan net.
Hindi dahil sila kamaong.
Di kung magdagan-dagan.
Hmm?
Kung magdagan-dagan sila.
The name of this plant, guys, is flame violet. Different colors. God. Okay, pause. Oh, pa. Okay.
Guba na duha ka lighter.
So, I've transferred some of them here, guys. Charan! Very nice. Later, I'm gonna finish that way, that area. So that is for the garden work for today, guys. So just garden today, garden work, and then I had a lunch break. I feed the pigs. So thank you for watching. Until the next episode of Garden. Okay. This I don't want to bore you guys with the long videos anymore. Thank you for watching. Bye.